wanna be a billionaire, billionaire.
Okay, everyone. I don't know if you guys... Wait, I'm gonna change it. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is Gucci and I hope everyone is great. We are here to finally go back to York. What? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we are ready to go. Yes, mommy. I'm talking to YouTube. This is 1. That's 2. Look at it. Look at it. This is all for me. Everyone keeps on looking at me. Look at the bags. Actually ridiculous. Like a genuine move. It's actually ridiculous right now. But we actually move. And this is my room. We have a blue room, LANGWITH all the way. Is what it is, spacious. Look at the queen bed. Look at it all. So yeah, this is kind of the empty room tour. This is how it's looking. This is how the wardrobe's looking. This is how, and I have a mirror here as well, which is cute. And then this is how the bathroom's looking. Look at that. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Look at this spacious. Look at this spacious. Right, obviously we gotta represent my church. UFC all the way.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we're done. I'm done my room. Finally, I finished. It's been 2 hours and 40 minutes. So yeah, I'm happy with my room so far. I'm not gonna lie, there's not much to it. But we finally made it. We thank God. I just pray that this year is gonna be exciting and good and interesting and whatever, and that there'll be no trouble in Jesus' name, and there will just be serenity and peace and just peace. It's been long. I haven't ate yet and I'm very hungry. So I'm gonna go eat some J rice that I was left behind. And come and chop, and then maybe I'll do a room tour. Maybe. Okay, so this is my room. This is my room. As you come in, so you close the door, innit? Cool. This is my door. Well, exciting times. This is my radiator. I'm joking. Okay, this is my room. So we have turquoise this year. Scary. Fire. So why is this not focusing? Okay, yeah, so as you come into my room, this is the wall full of all my lovely cheese, all my lovely people, and then my vision board. And then you come into here, come into the bin, haven't emptied that out, come into my drink. That is wow, I'm stuttering. That's iced tea, so please, I don't want to hit pin. Then you come in now. I've arranged, well, I say arranged, but I'm not really a clean freak, so I've sorted out everything, put everything in the top there. Obviously my basketball are there. Then I put my books there. She come to my table. Then I have the lovely turquoise thing. Look how many suitcases we brought, guys. Am I traveling to Sierra Leone? No. Anyway, and then this is my bed. I'm gonna put my school stuff on there because yeah, I'm gonna put my school stuff on there. It's just easier to revise and stuff like that rather than putting it on that notice board. And yeah, this is kind of my bed right now. My pillows, I'm getting them from a friend because I left them last year. And yeah, look at this, yeah. Are you dumb? Does your place have this? Does your thing have this? I don't want to hear pim, bro. Okay, cool. So all my stuff is here, tops and t-shirts and stuff, and then my tracksuits are there, leggings and jeans are there, my tops are there, and shorts are there with vests and stuff. My shoes, I put it underneath there in that little thing. I got this rug from IKEA, only £7, quite cool. And then onto the bathroom. Look at it, it's all mine, 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 it's all mine. I'm so happy. I'm sorry. Anyway, obviously we got the ish there. I decided to color code all my towels because why not? And look at this beauty. It's tall enough for me. I can just fit inside. It's looking sweet. Don't do this, kids. But yeah, this is the way how things are looking. I'm so happy. And then that's obviously just the cabinet to keep stuff in. But yeah, I'm so happy, guys. So happy with the fact that I am oh, look at the view. Look at it. I've upgraded from Derwent to Langwith. First of all, I kept my Derwent thing because it has my initials, so why not? But I'm very excited for this year. That's my uni tour. That's my room done. Hope y'all enjoy.